If you're considering My Life Organized, there are 12 crucial things you need to know before making a decision, and a few comparisons with competitors that might surprise you. Stick around because we'll also share an alternative solution you can try for free. First, My Life Organized offers unmatched flexibility. You can create custom task hierarchies, subtasks, and dependencies that adapt to your workflow. Unlike tools like Todoist or Asana, MLO is designed for advanced users who want full control. However, this can also be overwhelming if you're just starting out. Next, the app's filtering options are exceptional. You can focus on tasks based on priority, location, or context. This level of customization surpasses simpler apps like Microsoft To Do. But the learning curve is steep. Be prepared to invest time to master it. Third, My Life Organized shines with its goal-setting features. You can set long-term goals and break them into actionable steps. While other apps offer similar functions, MLO's precision is ideal for detailed planners. However, if you're looking for simplicity, competitors like TickTick may feel more user-friendly. Another standout feature is synchronization. MLO syncs across devices using its cloud service. The downside? This feature isn't free. Many apps, like Google Tasks, offer sync options at no additional cost, making MLO's subscription model a potential drawback. The fifth thing is its mobile app. It's powerful, but not the most intuitive. If you rely on your phone for task management, you might find apps like NED more polished in terms of user experience. Next, MLO supports GTD, getting things done, methodology better than most apps. If you're a GTD enthusiast, this software is a dream. But for those unfamiliar with GTD, the app might feel unnecessarily complex. The seventh thing you need to know is about pricing. MLO has a free version, but it's heavily restricted. To unlock its true potential, you'll need the Pro version, which can feel pricey compared to apps like Notion that offer more robust free plans. Another key feature is task reminders. MLO allows for location-based and recurring reminders, making it a great choice for detailed schedules. That said, simpler tools like Apple Reminders may suffice if you only need basic functionality. Ninth, let's talk about integration. My Life Organized doesn't integrate with as many third-party tools as competitors like Trello or Zapier. If you rely on a connected ecosystem, this could be a significant limitation. Next, the desktop app is highly customizable but can feel outdated in design. If aesthetics matter to you, options like ClickUp or Monday might be more appealing. 11th, the learning curve is real. MLO is packed with features, but it can take weeks to fully understand its capabilities. This is where other tools like Todoist shine with their balance of power and simplicity. Finally, community support is decent, but not as active as popular apps like Evernote. Tutorials and forums exist, but you might struggle to find quick solutions to advanced questions. In conclusion, My Life Organized is a powerful tool for productivity enthusiasts, but it may not be for everyone. If you're looking for a simpler, more cost-effective solution, check out our recommended alternative. It's free to try and might just be the better fit for your needs.